Hey guys, welcome to Rohit FPV. I have been making videos and trying to give out whatever I find out from making these cards and 3D printers, whatever tech stuff that I do for getting the things done and the jugards you may say. I have been bad at video productions and video editing, so I am learning that. I am trying to improve myself, so bear with it. I will be back with many videos soon. Like I am working on some flight controllers, which will be based on Arduino Uno and all stuff. So let's see. Today we are going to review, or we are going to unbox a frame. That's the ZMRX 210 frame, which is from FPV model. My friend Shabir bought it and it came to my place. And yeah, so I will just show you the frame again, and we will check the parts and the shape, how it should be aligned and all stuff. Okay guys, so here is the frame. I just removed it from here, so it was kind of this much, packed it, and then I opened it up to this. And now what we see is, with this frame we have got a Matex PDB which supports 5 volt and 12 volt BEC. You may have seen this in my previous videos. So this is the same PDB, so we will keep it aside. Now we have a FPV model sticker. Well, they haven't sponsored me yet, but my videos are not that good, so. These are the two straps that we get with this with this kit, and these are the four arms and the middle plates. Basically this copter is similar to my LT210 cord, but only difference is this is the cord, and the only difference is that the arms on this frame are like X, like they go from the center. So this is not from the center, this is from, like, this is a one piece frame. So this is like we will be joining four arms to two plates, and they will be sandwiched between two of them, like kind of this. Okay, copter fell down there. Okay. So it will be like, it will go like this. That's the way to put it. So basically we will be increasing the number of screws which will like on this frame. So I hope Shabir tightens this all screws, because he flies very good, and like is very good at 250 chords and racing stuff. So these are the parts. Okay guys, so this frame comes with two bottom plates and a top plate and four arms. These are the main parts of this copter. Well, the arms are about 4 mm thick, and the camera plate that comes with this frame is about 26 millimeters, and this is the HS1177 style camera mount. So this will support, actually this should support all types of FPV cameras, but it depends if your camera, like if it's a board cam or it has some like some thickness or for the chipset on the back, like my camera has. So anyways, you can fit it if you have the space and you can manage the space. Well, it has a Matex PDB with it, and and this thickness is about, the bottom plate thickness is about 1 mm or 2 mm each. Well, the straps are good, and for the price $52, this is a good frame. And the main thing that I found on this frame is like the 2204 motors can directly fit this holes. Well, whereas the ZMR frame doesn't, like it cannot fit in the M3 screw from the below. We have to drill it, or we have to make some space for the screws to go in, so that we can mount the motors on this frame. So this frame looks to be quite sturdy, and the packing is good. All packets came in, like everything came in a different packet, so it's like very easy to figure out what should go where and all stuff. Well, this was what I think about this frame. So if you are thinking about a 250 cord and your budget for the frame is around 3500 to 4000, you can go with this frame. This is a very like nice frame, and basically it's very good for FPV, like serious FPV kind of thing. And the images you can find on FPV model, like they show how you can put them together, and they have already shown it how you can put all the stuff together. So I won't be showing it. as it is, this frame belongs to Shabir. So if he makes a video, I will link it to my video description. So check the video description again, so that if Shabir makes a video, you can check it out.